Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of my channel. Today I am going to show you how to extract Facebook friends from anyone's profile using a simple extension tool. Step 1, open a Chrome browser tab and click on three dots. Go to extensions, click on manage extensions and load unpack. We will provide you file of this extension and click on that folder and select folder. The extension installation process is done. Now you need to log in your Facebook account on this window. Now the extension is installed. Go back to the Facebook and navigate to the profile you want to extract friends from, or you can search. I will search profile for SEO tool providers. This is the Facebook profile for someone. Just simply click the anyone's profile link. Make sure to copy the entire link including the HTTPS. Go back to the extension and click on the extract friends button. Paste the copied profile link into the input file. Click on the export friend to Excel. Click on this button. The extension will start extracting friends from the profile. You can see the progress bar filling up as the friends being extracted. Wait for the extension process to be completed. Once the extension is completed, review the list of extracted friends. You can filter, sort and search through the list as needed. Click on export button to export the friends list to CSV or Excel file. Click on pause, download 120 friends. This is user ID, this is username, gender, birth, email, mobile, about, and these all are details like locations, name, hometown and everything. So this is the tool you can extract Facebook friends from anyone's profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below.